away. The frown was on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Oh, across the road. Across the road. Lost and in a daze, I caught your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone can't feel further away. Wait on the moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Across the road. Across the road. And if you could read my mind, will you make your way towards mine? If you could read my
So guys, I am done with cleaning. It was a very productive morning, as you guys can tell. I cleaned my room, I cleaned the bathroom. I actually cleaned 3 bathrooms today, but you guys were able to see just 2. So the other one I did it off camera because I wanted to be fast. I need to do a couple of stuff today. At least I'm okay for the week. At least for the week, the bathrooms are clean. So what I want to do now is I filmed a TikTok video. You guys, I'm on TikTok, and I think my name there is Stella Sylvester as well. I don't know, I'll check it and put it on the screen. Please follow me on TikTok if you haven't followed me on TikTok. Also follow me on Instagram at Stella Sylvester 1. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. Let's continue.
You said, drape your body on me. I said, maybe in the morning. We said it would be just fine. Just know I can make you mine. I can feel you watching me. Stole another piece of me.
Hey guys, good morning. How is your day going? I hope your day is going fine. It's about 8:45 a.m. here, and today is Friday, April 22nd. I'm carrying this madam on the back because she has been disturbing this morning, so I just had to carry her so I can do stuff. Anyways, my cleaner is supposed to be here in less than an hour, but before she comes, I like to just like keep the place a little bit presentable so the house is not looking overwhelmed for her. I don't know what I'm looking at, but so once I bathe her, I will go. I have my bath. Then I'll go get bread from Market Square because the kids say they want that for breakfast. And I just saw my Google AdSense, and YouTube has done. Google has sent my money for the month. It's not plenty, so it does not come and take them earning big money, but this actually lightened up my day a little bit. Just showing that at least your work is not going unrewarded. One important part of creating YouTube videos is your editing. I use thematic for my music, and one of the most difficult parts of editing a YouTube video comes from getting your music from the right source. If you're not careful, you get a music from a source that has copyright issues, your videos are going to get copyrighted. And what that means is whatever money, whatever revenue you get from your video goes to owner of that music. One place I get safe music that I use for my videos are from Thematics. Go on Thematic, you sign up. They have the premium and they have the normal version. The normal version is free, you can use them, but the premium gives you even more access to more music and more genres. If you like hip-hop, if you like R&B, whatever type of music you like, you find it on Thematic. That's why I like the platform. And one thing is they're also helping upcoming artists, so you're not just using their music in your video, but you're also helping them reach out to people as well. The only thing you need to do is just check the link in my description and you're going to get the link to Thematic. Sign up. Any music I use in my video as well, always check my description. I have a link to that music. Use it and let me know what you guys think.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go. Ooh, it's cinematic in the way we connected. Girl, you're so familiar, I never expected you to be right in my arms. My favorite part, how you talk in the dark. Oh God, there's something about the sound of you is stuck in my head. All that you said, even though I see that I'm in too deep, I still gotta let you know that I never wanted anyone more. Falling forwards onto the floor, feels like I felt this feeling before. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. 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 Yeah, yeah. We can keep on going like we haven't seen the end, and living in a dream, but we're not pretending. I don't wanna wake up. No, I don't want it to stop. Never wanted anyone more. Falling forwards onto the floor, feels like I felt this feeling before. I've seen you in a movie, I